Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. In today's video, we're going to explore the ULNA Outdoor Wi-Fi Bridge CPE 801, a fantastic solution for extending your Wi-Fi signal to remote areas such as barns, offices, and more. We'll dive into its features, benefits, and how easy it is to set up. So, let's get started. The ULNA CPE 801 comes with two 1000 megabits per second Ethernet ports, making it a versatile wireless bridge for both data and video transmission. It operates on 5.8 GHz IEEE 802.11a/b per gram NAC wireless technology, ensuring high-speed network connectivity. With a maximum network speed of 900 megabits per second, it's ideal for building-to-building connections and monitoring systems. One of the standout features of this device is its exceptional range, reaching up to 3.1 miles thanks to its larger antenna. This makes it suitable for various applications, including home, office, barns, parking lots, and even challenging environments like elevators and basements. Setting up the ULNA CPE 801 is a breeze as it comes pre-configured for your convenience. Simply plug it in and adjust the direction. For advanced configurations, you can access the web page. Security is a top priority, with encryption protocols like WPA and WPA Radius with 802.1x to protect your network from hacking and data leakage. The ULNA bridge is made of eco-friendly materials and transmits data wirelessly, eliminating the need for wiring and digging. It operates on 24 volts PoE to reduce energy consumption and is designed to withstand harsh conditions, being waterproof, heat-resistant, freeze-resistant, and thunder-resistant. In the package, you'll find 2x gigabit Wi-Fi bridge CPE 801 units, 2x Ethernet cables, 2x PoE injectors, 2x mounts, 1x user manual, and installed accessories. You also get a 30-day money-back guarantee, a 1-year warranty, and lifetime technical support. The ULNA Outdoor Wi-Fi Bridge CPE 801 is an excellent choice for extending your Wi-Fi signal to remote locations. With its impressive range, ease of setup, and environmentally friendly design, it's a reliable solution for various applications. Don't forget to check the promotion info to receive 266FT Cat7 cables as a gift. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations.